Hi, this is Travis from Tenno Farms. I got the mower all apart now, and I don't know how well you'll be able to see in there, but on the left side here, looks like I need all the wiring, everything in the harness, the battery cables. It's all melted in there, and then the hydraulic lines on this side are all melted, so I'm going to have to replace those. The back of the alternator is melted, but it might still work. I'm not really sure if it's going to or not. Whatever this sensor is here is melted. Then the air box that was here is now down here. That's all melted. Need to get new bearings for this idler pulley here because they're just gone. And then most of the belts are melted too. The deck belt and both drive belts are melted. The PTO belts look good. They're new. I just put them on last season, so they look like they didn't get it. And then the fan belt looks like it's alright too, but if I replace the alternator, I'm going to go ahead and replace it too. But I think I can get this thing running again. It's just not going to be cheap. And of course I busted off two of the muffler bolts on the manifold there too. That always seems to happen when you're working on exhaust. But I'm going to get some parts on order and see what I can do with this. Thanks for watching.